remove small cover and screw. Please remove existing visor before proceeding to installation process. Carefully detach the cap cover from behind to the front. Transfer the nut to the new cap cover and tighten the screw. Caution! Make sure both visor hooks are secured to cover handle before proceeding to next step. Insert the visor pins into the grommets on cover handle and press all around until hooks fully secured. Tighten screw and assemble cover by pressing into slot. Ensure no dust on affix area by cleaning with a cloth. Start on left-hand side with scoop air. As a precaution, try to practice the correct installation method. Press and rotate the scoop air on the edge of panel. Repeat the same step for other side scoop rear. Ensure no dust on a fixing area. As a precaution, try to practice the correct installation method. Repeat the same step for other side scoop rear.